how to win your DUI trial through cross-examination. So the most important part of any DUI trial is always going to be cross-examining the police officer. And so what does that mean? Generally, when it comes to a DUI trial, the first person that testifies is the officer who ultimately arrested you. So what we'll see is that the officer forms an opinion. He generally tests how you did on the field sobriety test, and then from there we get a chance as the defense attorney to cross-examine him. When we cross-examine an officer, we want to know, what does your report say? What did you mention in the video? And how does that compare and stand up to the NHTSA guidelines? Did you follow the guidelines? Did you ask whether or not our client was sick? Whether or not our client was injured? Are you following all the procedures and rules? So what we do is not only do we show that the officer's opinion was biased in some way, and we also show that maybe his opinion isn't credible because he's not following the guidelines and the rules that he was taught. So there's a lot that goes into that. But the three most important things is always going to be knowing that video very well, knowing the police reports very well, and then also knowing that DUI manual as well. We study the DUI manual on every single case. And the reason we do that is because even though we know it very well, we want to make sure we don't miss a thing. So anytime I am prepping for a DUI trial, I have the reports available, the video, and the manual all together. That way I can cross-reference everything, look at it, and see where, if anywhere, the officer made his mistakes. The more mistakes you can catch him in, the better it looks for you. The less chance they have to prove that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. So once again, prepping for trial, make sure you have reports, videos, DUI NHTSA manual all together. Look at them all at the same exact time and make sure you're cross-referencing everything.